Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Dyson Airwrap not turning on. Why your Dyson Airwrap is not working. Solution 1. Check the power supply. Unplug the Airwrap and inspect the power cord for any visible damage. Plug the Airwrap into a different wall outlet that you know is working. Avoid using extension cords or power strips during testing. If your model has a safety plug with test and reset buttons, press reset and try turning the Airwrap on again. Solution 2. Inspect the voltage settings. Check the voltage rating printed on the air wrap or power plug. Compare it with the voltage supplied in your country. If you are traveling, do not use a simple plug adapter as a voltage converter. Use the air wrap only with the correct voltage to avoid power and performance issues. Solution 3. Clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the air wrap. Remove the filter gauge located at the bottom of the handle. Use the supplied filter cleaning brush to remove dust and lint buildup. Wipe the filter cage with a dry cloth. Reattach the filter securely before turning the air wrap back. Solution 4. Check the attachments. Remove the current attachment from the air wrap. Inspect the attachment and connector for dirt, debris, or damage. Reattach it firmly until it clicks into place. If available, test the air wrap with a different attachment to rule out an accessory issue. Fix 5. Contact Dyson support. If the air wrap still does not turn on after completing the above solutions, note any flashing lights, unusual sounds, or error symptoms. Locate your air wrap serial number. Check whether the device is still under warranty. Contact Dyson support for professional diagnostics, repair, or replacement options. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video.